Do, 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 do. Onwards. Little tiny motor. Oh, it still got water in it. Alright. I don't even know what the heck that is. Broken mirror. No thank you. Onwards. Whoa. Tonight has been a really slow night. Let's go. Onwards. Oh man, that sucker was heavy. onwards. Steel, steel, steel. All right. All right, onwards. What do we got? Oh, all right. Oh. All right, onwards. Do, 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 do.
Get out of there. I know who you are now. All I saw was the duck. Right, get out of there.
What is this one? Oh. Only ever gets these aluminum ones.
Oh, we got a lot of other shit.
Well, I mean out of the Transformers.
Oh.
Yeah, those are the fun ones that tear down as the Transformers. Whew.
Cold yet?
Not
Oh,
yet.
Jesus. You bought all this?
There ain't much here.
Got all those compressors and stuff.
This one.
This one.
Yeah.
It looked like it was full. He's filling a trailer. Where do you get all this shit out?
Everywhere, out of trash cans, dumpsters, side of the road.
Driving around?
Yep. Yep.
Was he swearing? Yeah.
No, not really. He only does that on your videos.
Huh?
He said, were you swearing? I said, no, he only does that on your videos.
Oh yeah. I have a foul mouth. I'm sorry.
He works at a scrapyard.
Yo, I see y'all brought my AC unit in. I left it out front for y'all. Yeah. Hey, I gave her all my business stuff. The lady up front.
Okay.
So I don't know if she put it in yet or not.
No, that has nothing to do with me. That's up with her.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I didn't know if y'all put it in the system like that or...
It'd be nice if they did, because then...
Because I know at like TMR, when I go there, I am under the business name. I do not go in as Jacob. Mm. Woo. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. There's one there.
It fell out of my hand. All the motors?
Think so.
That's trash.
How much y'all paying for copper?
$2.70.
About 30 cents less than
What are
them.
they paying? $3?
$3. But I don't want to drive over there.
I don't want to drive there. Some places are a one-stop shop. Some places they specialize more in non-ferrous.
Yeah, I know, but I don't. For some reason, I don't. Something don't feel right with them. Not that I've ever noticed. They may. I just may be missing it. But like I said, it just doesn't feel right over there. All right, that's it that I'm dropping off here. I'll catch y'all when I check out. We had our first run at Scrap Life LLC. All right, we made $148 at one yard and $160 at another. So that right there is $300 for our first run. That ain't bad. Today I'm going to be doing a lot of cleaning, and then I got to work on the truck, the Ranger, because I have all the parts like control arms, tie rods, shocks, springs, pretty much if you could think of it, I got it. Sway bar linkages. Just need to, first of the year, need to get all my trucks up to snuff. We do it with each one of the vehicles at the beginning of the year, so yeah. Well, if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time. Bye bye for now.